In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view seller profile on Whatnot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a seller's full profile from the homepage and from a live show, so you can check their ratings, upcoming streams, and other helpful details before you buy. Start by heading to Whatnot on your browser or opening the app. When the homepage loads, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see featured streams, categories, and a mix of sellers. Look for an option to browse all sellers or simply scroll through the homepage until you see sellers that match what you're interested in. When you spot a seller that catches your eye, focus on their card or tile. This usually includes their username, a thumbnail, and sometimes a live badge if they're currently streaming. Click to open that seller's page. This takes you to their channel area where you might see an upcoming show, past activity, or an entry point into a live stream. If the seller is live, go ahead and enter the stream. Inside the live, you'll notice the video player, chat, and product listings. The exact layout can vary slightly by device, but the seller's name and avatar are typically at the top of the screen. Don't worry if the interface feels busy, you only need one tap to get to the profile from here. Click on the seller's username at the top of the live. That opens a quick info card. On this card, you'll see a prompt that says View Profile. Click View Profile to jump to the seller's full profile page. You're now on the profile, which is the best place to learn more about the seller. Here you can review their bio to understand what they specialize in, see ratings and reviews to gauge buyer satisfaction, and check follower counts and badges that indicate credibility or achievements on the platform. Many profiles also list upcoming live shows, recent or featured items, and occasionally policies like shipping notes. Take your time scrolling through this page so you can make an informed decision about engaging with their content or purchasing from them. That's the complete process. Go to Whatnot, browse the homepage to discover sellers, open a seller's page, enter their live if they're streaming, tap the seller's username at the top of the live, and select View Profile. Once you're on the profile, use the information you see to better understand who you're buying from and what to expect. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to view a seller profile on Whatnot.